In this video, let me show you how to link Moomoo to TradingView. TradingView is a social network and financial analysis platform used by traders and investors worldwide for charting, research, and social interactions. To link TradingView with Moomoo, here's how. First, go to your browser and type in TradingView, open the official website, and make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. Once you're in, navigate to the market section at the top. Let's use Bitcoin as an example. Search for Bitcoin in the search bar. When the chart opens, if it's in a closed view, now look toward the bottom of the screen and select Trading Panel tab. From there, scroll through the list and click on All Brokers. This will show you all the available platforms that can connect with TradingView. Look for Moomoo in the list, and once you find it, click Connect. A login screen will appear where you need to enter your Moomoo account credentials. Once you're logged in, your TradingView will be successfully linked with your Moomoo account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.